Hi children, today we are going to learn about pronunciation of ED and ED as ID and D. Okay. See, there are two sentences given. Read aloud the following sentences from the lesson. I needed a lift and asked a friend for the same. I encouraged my adventures as a child. In these two sentences, you can see these words needed and encountered. Okay. See, let us see how to pronounce these words. Okay. The words encountered and needed end with ed, but they have different pronunciation. See, these words are ending with ed. You can see these words are ending with ed, but its pronunciation is different. Okay, here in first word, see the ed in needed. The ed in needed makes the id sound or it. Okay, the ed in needed makes the id sound, and the ed in encountered make the d sound. Okay, needed, the word needed, it make id sound and or id, we can say. Okay, and in the word encountered, here ed makes d sound. Okay, if the letter before ed is d or t, then the end will make id sound. For example, meant it, wanted. And if the letter before ed is not d or t, then the ed will make the d sound. For example, dumped and trained. Okay, see, you can see here needed. The word needed here, see the word needed here, it is ending with ed, right? Here needed ending with ed. Before this ed, which letter is there? D letter is there. So it's pronounced as this sound, id sound. Okay. Next, the next word encountered. Here ed, before ed, which letter is there? R is there, not D or T. So it is sounds like a D sound. See, if the letter before D or T, the letter before ed, D or T. See, here you can see these words are ending with ed, and before ed, D letter is there, and here T letter is there. So it is pronouncing like meant and wanted. Okay, it is id sound. And here if the letter before ed not d or t, if there is not d or t, it will make a d sound. Okay, here you can see here last letters are ed, but here not d or t. Here before this ed, p is there and n is there, not d or t, right? So it is pronouncing as d sound. Okay, if there is d or t, it will pronounce as id sound, id sound. Otherwise, it pronounce as d sound. Okay, hope you understand. If the letter, if there is d or t before ed letters, it will pronounce as id sound. Okay, otherwise if there is not d or t, if there is any other letters, it will pronounce as d sound. See, here you can see there is an activity regarding this. Read aloud the given words and write a rhyming word for each. See, there are some words. How to read this? Let us see. Asked, helped, calmed, and reported, and parted, and wanted and ended and sorted. These are the words. Here you can see asked. It is ending with ed letter and helped also ending. Asked and helped and calmed. These words are ending with ed letter, but before that there is no dot letter. See here, before ed k is there. In next word before ed p is there, and calmed there before ed m letter is there. So it will pronounce as b sound. And you can see remaining words deported and parted and wanted and ended and sorted. Here after before ed letter, all words are ending with ed, right? Before ed letter, which letters are there? T and D are there. So it is pronounced as id sound. Okay. Hope you understand. Here what you have to do, you have to write rhyming words for each word. Okay, write rhyming word for each word. If you can write rhyming words for each word, you can write. Otherwise, I will send you. I think you can easily write rhyming words for those words. Right. Anyhow, I will send you rhyming words for these words. I will send you answers along with this video. You can copy it. Otherwise, you can write yourself. Okay, for rhyming words for those words.